Hello friends, welcome back to my channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through many videos on machine learning, today's my topic is of machine learning, that is natural language processing. We have gone through many videos on natural language processing one year back ago. First one was conversion of text to audio. Second video was conversion of text to audio and audio to text. Then speech recognition using Hindi. Then we have seen many videos on speech recognition. Also recently we have seen sentiment analysis using Streamlit. But in my all three videos which I have done long year back, one thing was common. I was executing the program on command prompt, but now the situation is changed. I am executing the natural language processing program on Streamlit. So we are going to see a sentiment analysis using natural language processing in really different style. So let us go through the program. First of all, program code. This is main file home.py. Now I will execute the program. Yes, natural language processing. We can see here package average percent is up to date, average up to date. Now sentiment analysis. First of all, we will see sentiment analysis. We are seeing such program using Python, using Streamlit also. This is second time I am showing program of sentiment analysis. Now I will delete these lines and I will type I like acting of no, it is telling not press control plus key. Okay, it is something I feel happy when I watch movies. Yes, so sentiment analysis is different and something creative. And here is a graph. I feel very happy when I watch movies. I am really tired of doing videos. Yes, tired, something different. So things that is all about sentiment analysis. We can see here word tired, and this thing means here tired, this word, and that really, and this. So that is all about sentiment analysis. Now spelling correction, we will write spelling correction. I am working on machine learning Python. So here machine spelling is changed, so it is correct spelling is. So that is all about the natural language processing Python. Now part of the speech, part of this Virat Kohli, great batsman. So it is coming here Kohli NLP, then great JJ, batsman Yan. So that is all about this. Text summarization. Now I want text summarization in that case. How many sentences do you want in the summary? I am telling 5. I need to press enter. So NLP, wait, one, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5, exactly 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So I successfully done with sentiment analysis using natural language processing, then spelling correction using natural language processing, then part of speech tagging using natural language, and text summarization using natural language processing. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning using Python, Streamlit, Keras, CNN, TensorFlow, speech recognition, facial emotion recognition, then natural language processing. If possible, I will be shifting to pandas, data science, and many more videos. So keep watching my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.